Can you tell, just by looking at this ABG, whether the patient has metabolic or respiratory, acidosis or alkalosis? If not, don't worry. After this video, you'll be able to identify the primary acid-base disorder just by looking. Before we begin, I'm assuming you already know two simple facts. If bicarbonate changes, the cause is metabolic. If carbon dioxide changes, the cause is respiratory. That's all you need for today's video. Let's solve this ABG using the easiest method, the Tic Tac Toe Method. Draw 3 boxes. On the left, write acid. In the middle, write normal. And on the right, write base. Now we only need 3 values: the pH, the PaCO2, and the bicarbonate. Let's start with the pH. The value is 7.25. The normal range is 7.35 to 7.45. Since it's below normal, place it under acid. Next, look at the PaCO2. The value is 35.3. The normal range is 35 to 45, so this goes under normal. Finally, look at the bicarbonate. The value is 14.9. The normal range is 22 to 26, so this goes under acid. Now look at the pattern. The pH and the bicarbonate are both on the acid side. That tells us the primary disorder is metabolic acidosis. Okay, the next question is the body compensating correctly, or is there another acid-base disorder hiding in this ABG? The Tic Tac Toe method can't answer that. In the next video, I'll show you the easiest way to check compensation using Winter's formula. And you'll never confuse compensated and mixed disorders again.